How to join Telegram private channel without invite link. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to open your Google browser or any browser you are currently using. Simply open this up. Once you are here, you have to simply just type t.me / and now you have to enter that particular group name that you want to join and simply search for it. Now it will give you two options. One is open with Telegram and the other one is Chrome. If you are using Telegram on Chrome, you can go for it. Otherwise you have to go for the open with Telegram. And this is how it will looks like. So you have to simply click on join. So this is a public group where you can simply click on join and you will be able to send a message here. But if it was a private group, the process will be a little different. Let's say you have searched for a private group, so there will be an option of request to join other than simply join button, and once you have clicked on that request to join, it will give a request to that particular owner of that group, and once he have accepted your request, you will able to send any message in that group. So that's how basically you can join Telegram private channel without invite link.